Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start now. Open page number 67, grammar book. The chapter's name is prepositions. Okay, in last video I already told about this. So what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that is used before a noun or pronoun to show their time, direction and place. Children, listen to me carefully because this definition is not written in your book. Okay? So listen to me. Preposition is a word that is used before a noun or pronoun to show their time, direction and place. A preposition, what does it show? It shows us the time, place and direction. क्या दिखाता है हमको ये?
Time, place, and direction.
Okay, like if I want to show you the place of any noun or pronoun, I will write they sat on.
इनमें से किस देश में सबसे छोटे सिक्के को पैसा नहीं कहा जाता है? भारत, पाकिस्तान, नेपाल, श्रीलंका। बताओ।
Who's listening news?
बड़ा टाइम नहीं है।
Switch off your TV first. If you want to take class, do concentrate and be sincere. Okay? They
Yes,
sat
ma'am.
on the table. Okay? वो कहाँ बैठे? Where did they sit?
Table.
Table. But which word is showing us that they sat on the table? कौन सा word हमको बता रहा है कि वो टेबल पर बैठे थे?
On.
On. This word on. On word is showing us the place of them. Okay? They. Pronoun and this word on is showing us the place of they. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is the preposition of what? Preposition of place.
Time, place.
The next is preposition of movement. Movement means, what is the movement?
Ma'am, halchal होना.
Yes, good. Okay, any kind of activity that is called movement. Like if I write,
जब इंदिरा गांधी देश की प्रधानमंत्री बनी थी,
please switch off your TV. First switch off your TV. Whoever's TV. I can listen the sound of your TV. I'll eliminate from the class. Okay?
1975, 1973,
The man walked
75।
into
अब इसका पूरा डेफिनेशन दे दूं।
okay.
इंदिरा गांधी ने 1966 से लेकर 1977 तक ये
Two is the preposition.
मार देंगे।
The man walked into the house. Okay, this word is showing us the what?
ये जस्ट
Movement, direction. Okay, into the house. किसकी तरफ हो गया? वो man कहाँ गया? Into the house. घर के अंदर गया. घर के अंदर गया. Into. So this word is showing us the movement of man. This word is showing us the movement of man. Okay? So this one is preposition of movement of direction. Okay?
Direction. Yes, ma'am.
We are going to school
For picnic.
on
Monday.
हम किस दिन स्कूल जा रहे हैं? We are going to school on Monday. Okay, so you can understand. Here this on is
कटी आ रही है. Preposition of time.
okay. This word is
कटी आ रही.
You may have the network problem because other rest all are getting my sound clearly. Children, are you getting my sound? Can you listen to me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then you may have the network problem. We are going to school on Monday. Here on is showing us the time. What?
Time.
Time. That we are going to school on Monday. So here on is the preposition of what?
Time. Time.
Okay. This is why.
मैम ऑन और मैम टाइम और प्लेस में दोनों में ऑन यूज होता है.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
children, this is how we can understand the preposition of time. Preposition tells us the time, direction, any kind of movement and place.
Time.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's solve the exercise. First is fill in the blanks with correct preposition and identify English grammar 68, page number 68. We have to find out the correct preposition and their kinds. Like the meeting will be over.
After an hour.
After an hour, otherwise you can write in an hour. 1 घंटे में खत्म हो जाएगी. So in first number will write in. Okay? The meeting will be over in an hour. 1 घंटे में खत्म हो जाएगी. And what is the kind of this preposition?
Position of time.
Time. Good.
Ma'am.
Somebody's parents are talking behind you, so please ask them to be quiet during class time.
Ma'am, whose page number?
Page number 68. Which page number? Okay, page number 68. Second number, they threw stones at the dog. At the dog.
At.
Now you can understand. They throw the stones. उन्होंने जब stones फेंके होंगे, the stones must have gone from one place to another place. Like one place to the dog.
Another
Then what is the
place.
kind?
Place. Preposition of place.
Preposition of direction.
Movement.
Movement. Good. Preposition of movement.
Movement.
Then 3. Snoopy hid. Snoopy छुपा. कहाँ?
Under.
Behind the curtain. How can somebody hid under the curtain? Behind the curtain. Behind. And behind is the place. Good.
Place.
And fourth number.
शुरू हो गया. एक तो सुबह से छेड़ देता है. इतना अच्छा मूड से कॉल किया था मुझको.
थोड़ा धीरे.
Children, if you want, so shall I close the class? Shall I end the class? Because somebody's parents are talking too much behind you. Ask them to be quiet. Otherwise, you sit in another room. Your parents don't understand. It is your loss only, not mine. We can listen everything and everything is being recorded. आपके घर की जो भी बातें आपके पेरेंट्स करते हैं, everything is being recorded.
पांडे फ्रॉड है. पांडे पैसा लेके भाग गया.
The car slowly went the tunnel. What is the meaning of throw? What is the meaning of throw? Throw means एक चीज से होकर गुजर कर निकल जाना. Okay? So the car slowly went through the tunnel.
मैम अंडर भी हो सकता है ना, टनल के नीचे से।
And it is what? What is the kind of this preposition?
मैम वो डायरेक्शन,
Movement.
मूवमेंट।
Okay. My mother placed the watch on the table.
मैम प्लेस,
On होगा.
On.
मैम प्लेस है, प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस।
Position of place.
Now you can see the difference. Here we are talking about place. On the table. My mother placed the watch in the table. So here we are using on as the preposition of place. But in the next sentence, again we'll write on. I saw her on Monday.
Her on Monday.
To show any date, any special day, we use on. Okay?
यस मैम।
So again
Okay, ma'am.
on. But here on is working as the preposition of time. Okay? This is how you can identify the preposition and their sign. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
या मैम।
Are you getting my point? आपको सब clearly समझ में आ रहा है?
यस
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes, आपकी पिक्चर नहीं आ रही। मैम आपकी पिक्चर नहीं शो हो रही है।
मैम सो हो रही है।
It will be visual after some time because of some network problem. There are some problems. Okay. Preposition of manner. What is the meaning of manner? Manner means a way of doing something. किसी चीज को करने का जो तरीका होता है, ओके, किसी एक्शन को करने का कोई तरीका होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैनर। प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ मैनर tells us in which action is done. कौन सा एक्शन किस तरीके से किया गया है, ओके। प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ मैनर टेल अस द वे ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग, किसी भी एक्शन के होने के तरीके को बताता है, ओके। लेट मी शो यू विद एग्जांपल। They replied in a loud voice, okay. They replied in a loud voice, okay. What is action in the sentence?
मैम रिप्लाइड।
Replied is action, okay. But how it is done? How it is done? In
लाउड।
in loud, okay. In loud. So in is preposition, okay.
प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ मैनर।
Preposition of manner, okay, because it is here, it shows us the how the reply was done, कैसे reply किया गया था। they replied in a loud voice, उन्होंने बहुत loud sound में reply किया था। So here we can understand that they replied in very loud sound, okay. So this word is showing us the manner of reply, ये हमको reply करने के तरीके को बता रहा है। Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can use with, in, at, with, okay, for or to show the manner. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The next exercise, the student spoke confidence to the principal. With. Yes. First number, answer will be with. Rita will pay me back
इन कैश।
in cash. Good.
In cash.
Third number, she won the race. Ease means comfortably, आराम से. So answer will be with.
विथ।
Then I will read a book लेजर मीन्स आराम, एट लेजर, लेजर के साथ we will use at, फुर्सत के टाइम में, ओके। Then they welcomed us open arms with, yes. Sixth number, the principal gave me permission writing to
at
the principal gave me permission writing to organize a function. मेरे प्रिंसिपल ने लिखित में मुझे परमिशन दी।
in
okay. Then 7th number, I have only used this pen emergency.
Emergency.
The cake was made great urgency.
With.
Now come to the preposition of agency. Okay. So you can see the preposition of agency are by, with, in, on. We can use, but preposition of agency shows us the relationship between noun and action. Okay. जो preposition of agencies होते हैं वो हम किसके बीच का relation show करते हैं? With a noun and action, with their action. उनके noun और उनके action के relation को show करने के लिए whatever word, whatever prepositions we use, those are called preposition of agency. With, by, in, on, like this. Okay. Like?
yes ma'am.
Let me show you with example. He cut the tree with
An axe, between axes.
okay. Now tell me what is action here?
Ma'am, cut.
Cut.
Cut. Okay. But which one is showing us the relation with action with those?
Ma'am, with. Ma'am,
with. उसने किसका यूज किया ट्री को काटने के लिए? X का यूज किया. But this word is telling us the relation between X and tree. Clear?
Yes ma'am.
Right? I like traveling
By train.
By train.
by train. Very good.
By foot.
Second number, she cut the cake
With a knife. With.
With a knife.
with.
She cut the cake with a knife.
May I pay?
With cash.
पहले भी हमने कैश के लिए क्या यूज किया? You can see there also.
With.
In. Actually, prepositions are always same, but according to their sentence, we change their function. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He walked to school
On foot.
on foot.
On.
I saw it with my own eyes. Yes, sir?
Eyes.
Otherwise, you can write by my own eyes. With, okay? With my own eyes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
मम्मा शांत रहिए.
The next uses of for, since and during. Preposition of time, and sometimes you may get confused where to use for, where to use since and where to use during. So see, the column is made, okay, one table is made in your book. You can also see that. We use for, since and during for a period of time. We use for, since and during to show the time period. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So first
Yeah,
we'll see the use of for. We use for to tell how long the period is. For का यूज क्या होता है? For का यूज हम करते हैं जब हमको किसी टाइम के उसके साइज को दिखाना है कि कितना लॉन्ग टाइम हम वो काम करेंगे या हमने किया है. Okay, there we use for. There I don't know whose parents are talking this much. We don't see any point of the time there. Okay, जहां पर टाइम का कोई पॉइंट नहीं होता बस टाइम पीरियड दिया हुआ होता है. There we use what?
For.
I walk for 5 hours every day. ठीक है? Here this work 5 hours. Okay? We don't know these 5 hours are of day or night or evening or morning what. Okay? But we can see only the period of time. 5
Yes,
hours.
ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will use
Yeah, ma'am.
for. Okay? We will use for. We use for to show a period of doing something, a period of time. Clear? And since we use since to tell something that is started before and is still happening. Okay? जो काम पहले शुरू हुआ था और अभी भी हो रहा है. We use since there. Clear? Like we use like Riya has been my friend since my childhood. Okay, Riya बचपन से लेकर आज तक मेरी फ्रेंड है. Okay, that this friendship has started from the childhood. कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई थी ये? Childhood. Still it is happening. It is still there. Okay. Friendship बचपन से स्टार्ट हुई थी और अभी भी चल रही है. To show this, we will use what?
Since.
Since. And whenever you see a point of time like 2013, 1964, there also we use what? Since. ठीक है, जब हम किसी टाइम का पर्टिकुलर हमको पॉइंट पता होता है, स्टार्टिंग टाइम पता होता है, there also we use since. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the meaning of during? During means दौरान. During the day मतलब सुबह से लेकर रात तक में. During the night मतलब पूरी रात तक में. So during means किसी काम को करने के दिन के दौरान. Like we use during when we are talking about a specific period of time. Like I usually join summer courses during my holidays. Okay, here you can understand. When do I usually join summer courses? Only during my summer holidays. मेरी जो summer holiday है उसके दौरान उसके अंदर मैं क्या करता हूँ? अपने पूरे summer holidays के अंदर मैं summer camp ज्वाइन करता हूँ. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you'll have to give me the answers of exercise. I have been learning French 3 years.
3 years.
4 years. 3 years. They haven't
They haven't been to Delhi
in 2001.
2001. Since.
since. Good.
In
What age? We'll have to use only since, for, and during.
the shops are open.
Whenever we see a point of time, then you can start. Then we use since. The shops are open the day.
During the day.
During. Yes. पूरे दिन के दौरान क्या होती है? दुकानें खुली होती हैं.
Since March.
My uncle has been sick
Since.
Since.
During
Since.
because March of this year. Okay. Then we are shooting a documentary for the month.
During summer holidays.
during summer day.
Yes.
For
Good.
summer holiday. मैम for नहीं यूज होगा.
No, during summer. वो पूरे summer holiday के दौरान.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, children? And now we'll do in next class. I'll tell you how to use until and by as prepositions. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Children,
ma'am.
do studies at your home. Okay?
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
पीछे